Okay, I like to work on my art in my bedroom because my big screen TV is up there. Okay, I was working for the Carlsbad Village, California art show, so everything kind of got out of control. Let me step back here. This is my bed and I'm trying to clean things up and sort things. Of course, I get 1% of sorting done and 100% or 99% finding things to play with. Okay, you can see the art stuff is kind of like taking over my bedroom. Oops, here's some more. And in the master bathroom, I actually had an ironing board set up until just a bit ago. I moved this bookcase in here to try and sort, but haven't gotten too far. Okay, let me go around here. This is frightening. Can we say hoarders? I don't know any artist that's not a hoarder. Look at all this crap. Paper, 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 paper. That's just a smidgen of the paper that I have. So, you can see, this is not, no, get this. This is my bedroom, not my art studio. I turned the second bedroom into an art studio, and I have moved. I've been doing a lot of work in here instead. That's Lily. Lily. Hi, Lily. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is an armoire that I have. Great big tall thing. And I used to make a lot of jewelry, so I have tons of beads, all sorted by colors. And more beads and bindings. Miscellaneous scraps of fabric. And then I have, what do I have? 3 big drawers full of fabric. It's kind of hard to see. I should have turned the light on. Here, kind of gives you a better idea. Okay, all kinds of fabric. Okay, hang on. This is the shower in the guest bathroom where I do all my storage, and with the curtain closed, you never know. Voila! Okay, this is my guest bathroom. I don't use the tub because I use the shower in the master. So I put these shelves in here. I have a plastic tablecloth laying down on the tub, and then I put these shelves in. And I did a video on this before, but for people who haven't seen it, this is like crazy. This great big tub is nothing but ribbon. Nothing but ribbon. I have enough ribbon to open a store. And I put command hooks up and put things in bags, like that's 3D cardboard pieces, canvases, used coffee filters, more cardboard, corrugated cardboard. Down here is some more fabric. Not done yet. Got to show. I know, it's right across from my art studio, so it kind of became the place to clean up. I had to literally change out the faucet. I had one with the little knobs that you turned, and they were covered with paint and gunk. So my brother, bless his heart, when he was out here visiting, he put in one of these faucets that I don't have to touch. I just have to, oops. I can actually use my elbow if I have to. And I've got a paintbrush in here. I clean it out and brush the bowl really well when I get done. So I'm not done yet. This is my art studio. This is where you walk into the door. I have this wonderful shelving, and I have these 3-drawer files, and the thing on the top, this credenza thing on the top, works wonderful on this 3-drawer files. I have a drying rack with little, what do you call them? Clips to hold stuff that's drying. I have, this is my art table with a bunch of crap in progress. My sewing machine. My sewing machine's usually on the floor underneath, but I just used it. Yeah, I buy Mod Podge by the gallon. More 3-drawer files. I'm turning around, and oops. This is the door. That's the bathroom I just came out of. Okay. Inspiration wall. I hang anything that tickled my fancy. There is a TV in here, but I like my big screen better. But you can see there's all kinds of goodies. I've got mediums, and I have a little rack here that sometimes I'll listen to recorded books while I'm working. So my phone fits right there. Again, I've got Mod Podge and paint. Here's my rack that I made for pens. Some of the pens are missing because they're in the bedroom. Here's some more. You can see I have a big ass pile of things I use for stencils. Some are real stencils and some are, I cut them out of magazines and then cut them out of cardboard and use them as stencils. Do I have an example? No, it's in the bedroom. Okay. Every artist needs a tiara. Up here are journals. I love these little things with drawers. And I label everything. You can see all kinds of little goodies. My Boeing, I used to work for Boeing, retired from Boeing. Defense portion, not the airline portion. My drawers are all labeled too. I said when I was in my room that the paper, I had drawers full of paper. Full of paper. Okay, going around, I have more. What? What's the matter? Silly Lily. I have more stuff on the wall. In here, you can see there's paper. Most of this paper is paper that I brought back from Japan when I was there years ago. It was like, I don't know, 18 years ago, 19 years ago. This big giant toolbox. I love this toolbox. Look at that. Isn't that full of goodies? It looks like a treasure box. And when it's open, I got drawers full of stuff. I love this toolbox. I got that at, when I worked for Boeing. You get an employee award and they gave you a catalog to pick out stuff. Well, other women were picking out jewelry and stuff like that. I'm like, oh no, I want that big toolbox. This is an old microwave cabinet. Works great in here because it's on wheels. This is paint. More paint on a little cart. I love my cart. This is the closet in this room. There's shelving in there. I'm a maniac. I got more crap. I mean, that's only one side. Oops. I know. I hate video, doing a video when I'm holding the camera because I'm awful at it. Okay, you can see there's all kinds of things in here. Oh, I forgot I had that mounting board. Okay, now, behind the door, I have one of these metal racks. Works wonderful for storing things because you can see them. I'm much better at seeing things. Unless I label them, I totally forget what I have in my drawers. I got these nifty little plastic holders. And I got them at Daiso, the Japanese dollar store. You can probably find them at other, like 99 cents. The door keeps opening on its own, except it's not opening on its own. There's a wee doggy. Doesn't want to be, whoops, left out. Huh, Lily? I know. She's saying, who is he talking to? Okay, that's my art room. This is leftover mess from when I had my art show in Carlsbad. Containers and boxes and bags. I haven't quite gotten around to cleaning them up. It's in the middle of my living room. Luckily, I hardly ever get company except for a couple of really good friends, and they know me. This is some of my work. Vinci art. A sketch. Oops. Okay, how do I do it? There we go. I did that in college 100 years ago. I'm not an artist that can draw and paint really well. I had a terrific instructor. Some doodle art, some more collage. Some more sketching. This is my entrance. I love my quote. And some more collage art. Oops, hello, you can see me in the reflection. Oh, I have a funny story about taking pictures with reflections. I was on a cruise with my mom, and I was the only one in the room at the time, and I wanted to take a picture of the folded towels that looked like little animal shapes. And I thought of it when I was changing clothes, and I was stark staring naked. And I took a picture, not realizing that there was a mirror. And when I went to develop picture, luckily I took it like one of those self-developing things. I saw naked with a camera. What an idiot. Oh, totally embarrassing. Made me want to go on a diet, let me tell you. That's my son. He's into all that really extreme running and carrying concrete blocks. And he's building his own airplane. He built his own camper. He's amazing. Love him to pieces. You see this? That's my mom when she was young. I made another one in kind of gold and lace and everything, and I first thing I sold at the Carlsbad Street there. So I sold Mom. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you weren't totally bored, and be nice to each other. Peace.